I got him. Look at that big old smallmouth, guys. Ooh, fighting. Look at that carp. That is a nice carp right there.
Oh, rips in the lip.
Alright guys, we're going on a fishing guide trip with Tag Nope. We've gone fishing with him before. He's really good and we always catch fish. I already have 2 videos up about it, all on Brookville Lake fishing. So we're gonna get down to the boat dock and we'll get back to you when we get there. The smallmouth.
That's a good one.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, it's on. Ooh, look at that smallmouth. That's a nice smallmouth. Ooh.
Where is it?
Ooh, ooh.
Otis, get him up there.
That is a nice smallmouth. Ooh.
Wow.
That is a big old smallmouth.
Holy moly, first
Here, I'll
one.
get it.
Good gosh. Get him.
Well, shoot. There we go.
Well,
Come on,
all right.
Cletus, get a hold of him.
There we go.
Nice
That is a nice one.
Ooh. Here.
All right, here, hold up. You want? Okay. Get your doodad.
All right, here. Get that, please. And then
Okay.
look at that big old smallmouth, guys. Oh. Found it on a
First catch
worm
of
on the
day.
bottom. All right.
First catch of the day.
I'll get back to you if we get another fish.
No walleye,
Oh
no
my
pretty
gosh.
too interested.
Oh, Grandma's got a fish. Huh.
I think.
Oh, Grandma caught a walleye. Ah.
That worked there.
Oh, that's a nice walleye too.
Shoot.
I'm just gonna set it down.
Ain't that something?
I'm gonna hold it. Or do you know? You're probably
You
not.
can-
You're
no,
not
I
gonna.
don't hold it.
You aren't
You
gonna
can
hold
hold
it because you have to hold it by the gills. Do you want to keep them, Grandpa? Eat them, or is it too small?
Is that the one you want to keep?
He's big enough to get a fillet out of it or not?
He's big enough, I think.
Yeah, we'll see how we catch it.
That nice walleye. Grandma caught it.
Yay!
Look at
grab
its
it.
teeth too. Yuck. Looks like 15 and a half, so it's big enough. 15 and a half incher.
What's your hole there?
So that was a nice fish. We'll get back to you guys. Ooh, fighting.
Fish on!
Ooh.
Got the camera running?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, it's fighting.
It's a big one.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a big one.
And it looks like it's a big old walleye. Oh.
It's supper, son. Get him up here.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh, it's a catfish.
Pain in the ass.
Fish. He's verbal though.
Oh, look at
A
him.
fish is a fish is a fish is a fish.
I'll hold it.
He's kind of pretty.
What's that?
I'll hold it. I'll hold it by the mouth. Or,
You sure?
yeah. Oh, sorry.
You handle these a lot?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Don't let him get you.
There's a nice little catfish there.
He is not safe.
All right, are we gonna keep him or throw him back?
Throw him back.
All right. See you later.
He probably just waylaid it, didn't he?
All right, we'll get back to you if we can. All right, so there's a white bass frenzy over here, and this is where we're gonna fish at. Pretty far.
If you don't get bit, speed it up, okay, or slow it down.
Oh, I got one. There we go. Woo. Oh, this is a fighter. Woo. Oh, that's a big old white bass. Oh.
Can you give it a whirl?
Sure.
Oh, look at this white
Try to
bass,
reel
guys.
about as fast as you can, okay?
Oh shoot, I'm stuck.
Burn it
There
across
we go.
the surface.
That's a big old white bass right there. Alright, we'll get back. I got another one. I forgot to turn on the camera. Ooh. These things fight hard. Woo! There's another one. I love catching these white bass. They're so fun.
You can.
Yeah, I could. I saw this one hit.
Moving on to something.
These things look like they're really good to eat. Alright, there's a nice white bass right there. Going back. Here goes another one that my brother caught. Alright, I'll get back to if we get another one. Alright. Look at all those fish. Oh my god. I got one. There we go. There's one. Didn't know if it was on or not. This one's coming towards the boat. Oh. Oh, this is a nice one.
You got another one already?
Yep.
I got one too.
Oh, Grandpa's got one too. This is absolutely insane. Catching these white bass. And now Zach's got one.
This one's going. This the guy we're trying to get down there.
There we go.
Live action.
Live action. Look at that nice white bass. Alright, going back.
Going back.
Let's try to catch as many as you possibly can.
That's exactly what I'm
Oh,
trying to do.
just missed him. Got him back. Oh. This is so fun. Oh. Oh, this is a normal sized one. See, these look like they are really good to eat. Some filet fish. Look at that white bass. All right. Oh, they're coming back. Oh, got another one. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is a big. Oh man, this is a big one.
That ain't big.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, that was. It's not big. It was just fighting hard. All right, there's another big white bass. Nice one. This is fun. There you go. Nice white bass. Going back. All right, I'll go back to you. Oh.
Oh, rips him lip. Rips him. Set the steel to it. Good job. Good job.
That's a big one.
You're gonna reel in one day, and you're just gonna have a set of lips on your hook.
Ooh, this is a big one. Oh, I got him right in that muscle. Look at this one, guys.
Yeah, boys, this is only like fish. Screw this
Look at that.
bobber shit and set point for an hour and a half.
Okay, you want me to
Sorry
stop?
about the